In this clip, what I'm showing is how we move the chart from one sheet to another one. I selected new sheet, I gave it a title, named it profit chart, clicked OK, and our chart came to a new sheet. Here, I'm showing all the options that we can do with the chart formatting wise. So right now I'm clicking on chart styles, and we went ahead and selected chart style 7. Right here what you see is me resizing the selling price bar so that we can see the totals for everything that we want to illustrate on this chart. In this clip, I'm using the if function to see if certain players play better at home or on the road. To do this, I'm clicking in cell L7 and I'm going to type in our logical test. So in cell L7, I want to click equals if, open parentheses, and Excel tells us what the if function is doing. It checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another if false. So to continue on, we're going to type in the open parentheses. Now let's zoom out and see what cells we need. So if E7 greater than symbol, so if E7 is greater than cell E28, let's put a comma. So if that's true, we want to say home. So let's type the word home in quotations. We have to put it in quotations or else Excel won't recognize it as text. If that's false, we want to say roll. So let's open some more quotations. Let's type the word roll. Let's close the quotations, close the parentheses, click enter, and the if function is saying that Kemba Walker's points per game is greater at home than on the road. So we can look and compare the two, and it indeed is greater at home, so the if function checked out. In this clip, I'm showing how to filter a worksheet. I went over to the games played column. I clicked on sort largest to smallest. Then I went over to the points per game column, clicked on that arrow. I went down to number filters over the top 10. I changed that to top 5 so we can see the top 5 players on the Bobcats in scoring. I clicked on that same arrow under the points per game column. I cleared that out. Went over the rebounds per game, went down to number filters over the top 10. I changed it to top 5. Now we see the top 5 players in the rebounds per game statistical category for the Charlotte Bobcats.